Thomas, congratulations on top your debut win.
No ever call me Thomas. My name na Thomas Tuchel, no be Thomas.
Okay, sir. Sir, make I ask you, as you don't come collect all the 3 points against Tottenham, even pocket your 3rd clean sheet, how you dey do you for body?
I'm not gonna lie you, I been think say Tottenham go strong well. But after the first half, it's the way Mourinho take keep faith like lips where Hamilton don't scatter. I come to pity him. Now make I tell my guys, make them give him boy small ball, make them play for second half.
So they try talk say you forgive him like 3 or 4-0.
Something like that. But where the thing for pain them pass now say, I for collect like 97% of the possession. Give them the remaining 3, make them take play, goal kick and throw in. But as I come see his face, I can't remember say, the guy in a family man. I no go like make them sack him like them sack Lampard. So I tell my guys make them share the ball, equally and respectfully. Moreover, e no good make we dey stingy with ball. E go be like say we don't join the Stingy Club Association.
Which one be Stingy Club Association? I never hear him before.
Now clubs wey no dey gree the opponent touch the ball. Currently, na Guardiola Man City the chairman the club.
You never come EPL finish. You don't dey make mouth, dey raise shoulder, dey brag. Now people like you suppose dey coach FC Braga. Because you score one mistake penalty, take win game. Now you dey boast like this.
You dey call a mistake penalty? This is ungrateful man. I pity you show you small ball when you play for second half. Now him you say here they speak gibberish.
Mommy water suck your mouth there. Now who you pity? I come out play better ball we make you almost shit for pants. You dey here they form good Samaritan. Pity kill you there.
Now this your stubborn head they make you know the progress for this your coaching career. See now, you don't lose your last 3 games.
So, because you draw 1 game, win 2, you think say you dey progress? You never jam EPL especially this season. No worry, just do your gra finish. That Abramovich guy go still sack you. Big mouth. Where this guy they even get all these coaches safe? Now so big mouth all of una get.
You no follow for the coaches?
God forbid bad thing. My mouth no big like una own.
Chai! Wahala be like NEPA. Off and on. See man you now. Where they try overtake for table, they flog people 9-0. Me still dey here, they struggle with injury and lack of goals. Chai! I swear this life no balance. Even this Agbero Boys Club don't start with a win game. It can't be like say they struggle to maintain top 4. Come on Brighton again. Haba. My boys no even fit collect draw. For Anfield again, fa. This my boys off and on done too much, oh.
Coachy, good morning, sir.
My guy. Shebi na you be the defender wey my guys rush go by.
Yes, sir.
Wetin be your name, sef?
Ben Davies, sir.
Na you dey play for Tottenham?
No, sir.
Which leg you dey use?
Left leg, sir.
Haba, you sure say you no comot from Tottenham?
No, sir. No be where I from comot, sir. Na for Preston North End I from comot.
Why you come dey share leg with that other Ben Davies? Na your twins be that?
No, sir.
Na your best friend? Abi na cousins una be?
No, sir. I no even sabi the guy.
You don't mean it. Where you dey play for defense, sef?
I fit play left back and left side of centre back, sir.
You say left back?
Yes, sir.
Na wow. Wait make I call person first. Mario, my guy how far na? Wetin dey sup?
Everything just dey scatter though. After you beat me that 3-1, my life never remain the same. I swear this life no just balance.
Abeg make I ask you, you get any of your players wey dey miss?
No. All my players still dey.
You sure? Check whether Ben Davies still dey your squad. E be like say him don run comot o.
Wetin you dey talk? I see am for training this morning na.
Call am to confirm.
Ben Davies!
Sir?
In dey here na. Wetin dey happen?
Oh, okay, no worry. I bin just wan confirm. I don go. Ben, how much dem buy you sef?
I no know, sir. Dem just tell me say make I pack my car dey go Liverpool.
Na wow. Okay na.
Coachy, you get plans for me for that Man City match on Sunday?
You dey fear?
Small, sir.
No worry yourself. We get Egyptian king for here. We go win.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If this video make you laugh,
and you know say your mama born you well,
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley? I been a woman bless one place.
See, sorry. It don't do you. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me I no get time for this guy now.